Hello and welcome to this video about the Kargi Anti-Radiation Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. Kargi, developed by Lentatek based on the needs of the Turkish Armed Forces, is a highly advanced anti-radiation UAV that is set to revolutionize the defense industry. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative design, Kargi offers a unique solution to the challenges faced by military air defense systems. The Kargi Project is carried out under the leadership of Lentatek in cooperation with Aselsan, Tübitak SAGE, and TEI. Tusas Motor Sanayii A.S. TEI has developed the PG-52-stroke gasoline aviation engine for Kargi, which will perform similar tasks to the Israeli-produced Harpy and its upper model Harop. As a result of intensive R&D work, Kargi will be ready for mass production this year. It has 6+ hours of endurance, bidirectional datalink and Satcom communication systems, and advanced capabilities such as loitering and home of jam during target search. One of the key features of Kargi is its ability to perform SEAD, suppression of enemy air defenses, and DEAD, destruction of enemy air defenses, missions against enemy air defense systems. It is capable of destroying a wide range of strategically important targets, making it an indispensable tool for military operations. Lentatek has carried out the Kargi project with a focus on localization, developing aircraft, ground systems, navigation, automatic flight control systems, and software entirely with national capabilities. With the successful first flight of Kargi in 2018, critical subsystems such as the RF seeker head, warhead, flight engine, launch engine, booster, link system, propeller, and fuel tank have all been developed locally. In cooperation with Aselsan, Tübitak SAGE, and TEI, Lentatek has led the Kargi project to success, with the PG-52-stroke gasoline aviation engine developed by Tusas Motor Sanayii A.S. TEI for Kargi. With a 6+ hour endurance, bidirectional data link, and Satcom communication systems, Kargi boasts advanced capabilities such as loitering and home of jam during target search. This makes Kargi the perfect solution for military air defense systems and the ideal replacement for the Israeli-produced Harpy and its upper model Harop, both of which are already in the inventory of the Turkish Army. As a result of intensive R&D work, Kargi will be ready for mass production this year, offering the military a highly advanced and reliable tool to keep them one step ahead. The Kargi Anti-Radiation UAV is a powerful asset for the Turkish Armed Forces and provides a much-needed local alternative to foreign-sourced products. With its advanced capabilities and its development entirely with national capabilities, Kargi is ready to take its place in Turkey's defense industry and provide enhanced protection for the country. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a better understanding of the Kargi Anti-Radiation Unmanned Aerial Vehicle and its capabilities. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below.